and it'll slide right out of the Evolve system, the Mirage drop-in system.
Put the shaft into this, very quiet.
Yes, it is.
In low profile, very strong.
Yep. It's really
nice.
Really
price
nice
point
feature
on here as well.
Right. And then also you can see like clean lines here. Hey, this is Chris with Delaware Paddle Sports. Today we're going to be installing a pretty neat accessory. It's called a ram mast tube wedge. And basically you can utilize this product right where your sail mount is on some of your Hobie Outbacks and your outfitters. And you know, that's for you know, when somebody doesn't want to utilize a sail mount or a sail on their kayak. So we're going to get started by installing one of these, and I'll show you how it's done. It's good stuff. So inside your parts bag for your ram mast tube wedge mount, you'll see the part here, and then also there's a set of instructions that you can go by. But basically what it is it's a wedge. So there's a screw with a spring assembly inside, and when you go to screw that down, it actually spreads it out. So that's what keeps it down inside the sail mount. So this is a really great accessory item that you could put like another rod holder on, or you could even utilize it as a fish finder mount as well, or you know, anything that will take a 1.5 inch screw ball. So to get started, basically there's a screw, as you can see, that just goes all the way through the mast tube, and then there is a nut on the other side. So all you're going to do is you're going to flip that screw around. You'll just unscrew this. Keep going, and you'll see that there's a little nut that popped out to the end of the screw ball there. So we're just going to pull that bolt out like so, and then here's your spring. So basically you're just going to pull that bolt out, and you're going to put it in on the top end of the screw ball. Just run it straight through, okay? And then on the back side here, you're just going to transfer the spring in. You're going to take your wedge piece, take it, put it right over, and then you're going to take the little nut and put it right on the inside here, just like so. You can see that, and then there's the screw head. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to screw down until I grab that nut on the other side. Okay, so I did get that through, and basically I've switched that all the way around. Okay, tube for your sail mount, and there's the wedge mount that we actually just changed around. We're just going to slide that inside. As you can see, that just spins around. Well, all you want to do is you're just going to screw the top end in, screw it down. And that wedge is actually spreading apart there, and now that's super tight. So this customer is actually going to put a rod mount right on that. So definitely you can get these right there at Delaware Paddle Sports. Come check us out at DelawarePaddlesports.com. We have those mast tube ram balls in stock, and you can give us a call at 302-645-7300. Thanks a lot. You guys have a good day.